going to go ahead and do Oye Mujer, 32 counts, one wall, beginner, all to beginner line dance. You're going to start with a tag, a military turn, starting with your right foot. You're going to step forward, quarter turn, step forward, right, quarter turn, step forward, right, quarter turn, step forward, right, quarter turn. Right foot goes forward into a mambo step. Step back with the left, mambo. Step to the side, mambo. To your left, mambo. Let's do that 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mambo forward, mambo back, to the right, to the left. Here's the tag. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now we come to the part that is the body of the dance. You will not do the tag. It's only in the beginning. With your right foot, you're going to go side mambo, left mambo, right foot, step back into a cumbia, step back, cumbia, step back, cumbia, step back. You're going to go to your right into a right vine and left vine. Then you start all over again with the mambos. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Cumbia back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Right vine, right behind, right tap, left behind, left tap. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.